I hope it's a nice and smooth transition. It's almost like a switch on. So I hope it doesn't give too much headache as this. Back blade doesn't hurt, so I could apply a little pressure if I need to get a little closer, as opposed to this clipper. If I press too hard on my clients, you can feel this black blade rubbing against the skin, so you got to be real gentle with that. Man, overall I'm loving this new clipper. I like how they changed the coloring, or the power color, down to the clip. This one right here just looks a little old-fashioned compared to the, you know what I'm saying, this new bad boy. It is a lithium trimmer as well. Man, I just can't wait to use this clipper. Better yet, let's go try them out right now. Alright, so we're gonna end up testing this bad boy out. Luckily I got a test dummy. So this is the before right here. Let's see what these clippers working with. So we're gonna just brush this hairline down real quick. My bro ain't get it cut in about, how long it's been since you got a cut?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Alright, so we got a nice little lineup we could do. Let's see how these bad boys is hitting. Look up just a little bit. Turn to the side. Straight out the box. Do they hurt? Jeez, cause these things is hitting. Not bad. Straight out the box. Straight out the box, not bad. Straight out the box, I gotta say, these things do hit. Bro, first thoughts, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These might be my go-tos. These might be my go-to clippers. Let's get all this extra hair out. Do you feel that? Does it hurt? Does it irritate anything?
I don't feel it.
Does it feel sharp?
No.
Sheesh. See? Do they feel better than the GTXs? No, I'm sorry. Do they feel better than the gold effects?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Sheesh. So you'd rather get lined up with these?
Yeah, I barely feel it.
Okay. Look to the side. Let's finish off a nice little C cup. You keeping your sideburns?
Sure.
Alright. Let's see if we got that. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. I usually go right behind it with the razor. So this is basically all I need right here. This is a nice guideline. It doesn't hurt. Let's line up these vertical bars just a little bit. I'll go behind it with the razor maybe later on this week. But so far, look at these bad boys. You see? You definitely get a little crunch effect. Here's what I'm talking about. I can see what I'm doing. I can put my finger on his forehead before I line it up. That's crispy. Alright, let's see this side compared to the side we didn't hit. Compared to the side we did hit. Straight out the box. As you guys see, this thing is... Sheesh, did it hurt to size at all? Was it too sharp? Nice. You're just gonna finish off this side, but that's all I needed to see right there. That is all I needed to see. Precision. I'm able to get to that corner without hurting the skin. We're gonna set up this vertical bar. Here, turn to the side just a little bit. I'm gonna touch it back up with the old clipper. I see some little imperfections in the mirror. So we're just gonna line this up. Let me know if you feel a difference with this clipper. I definitely feel a difference. Like I can't see what I'm hitting as well. Cause like all of this is blocked. As y'all see, this is my camera view. If you're hitting it, I can't see really too much as I'm hitting. As opposed to this, I'm able to see the inside right here. I'm able to see the inside below the blade. So that's nice. That's nice. That is nice. First thoughts, I'm in love with this clipper, baby. Alright, so I appreciate you being my test dummy. Let's go. That's how we looking. Turn your head just a little bit. Other side. Sheesh. That's what I'm talking about, man. Appreciate you, my boy. We have both these clippers. My honest opinion, I feel like I'm just gonna use this clipper to debulk now. And I like cordless clippers. Alright gang, so that's my review. Alright, so I know all you guys wanna know, is this clipper worth the money? Yes sir. So guys, I appreciate you guys tapping in. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy GB. Right, so we back. Look, so now you know what I'm saying, y'all already know we about to heat up the, you know what I'm saying, I had to pull the drip out. I had to pull the drip out. They be hating on my pink do-rag. They be hating on my pink do-rag. But yeah, look, check me out. What's poppin', YouTube? We about to start this deep condition. As y'all see, we got the hot oil treatment going on already. I'm about to show y'all step by step how we do this. Let's go.